just everything from the training, but in 3D and absolutely unbelievable. This is incredible.
Copy, Moonjoy.
I definitely see all of the basin of Orion, Copernicus, easily all in view. This is so awesome.
We look like we're smiling at you, like a little Cheshire cat.
Thank you guys.
I thought we just caught an ActiWatch sync. If I had my own, I'd sync it with you. Breaking news, at this time, you are go for all types of uses of the toilet.
And the crew rejoices. Thank you. Yeah, we caught a view of Earth in window 1, and now we're completely distracted for a little bit.
To me, is a great, example of why we go and do these missions. If you can't take love to the stars, then what are we doing? Like, why would we even go?